Hi, I'm Princess Patsy, one of the top distributors of I Am Worldwide, and I'm here to discuss to you how to become a member. Ang difference ng aming barley from other barleys is number one, it's high efficacy. Number two, ito mismo ang ginamit ni Miss Maritoni Fernandez when she was battling breast cancer. And I can attest to you na talagang for more than 20 years na siyang cancer-free. Nakikita ko talaga siya at nakakasama ko po siya and she's very well, very healthy, energetic, and she doesn't even look like her age. She's more than 50 years old na po. And thanks to Barley ng I Am Worldwide. Pakilala lang po ako muna sa inyo. So, isa po ako sa mga Diamond Elite Executive Distributors ng I Am Worldwide. And pag napadaan po kayo sa EDSA, nandun din po kami. Makikita nyo po ang aming billboard na mga top performers po sa company. And I am excited to walk you through to become a member and a distributor. Isa rin tayo sa mga representatives ng I Am Worldwide sa kakatapos lang na GMA Gala, kung saan nakasama rin natin ang iba't ibang brand ambassadors ng company like Miss Marian Rivera, Miss Heart Evangelista, and Mr. Alden Richards. So pakilala ko lang po sa inyo ng mabilis ang founders at owners ng ating company. So, ang nagustuhan ko sa kanila, they're very honest, God-fearing, and very generous. They are already well recognized here and abroad. Our president is Mr. Alan Marvinider and our vice president and co-founder, Ms. Aika Lorraine Uy. Nakaka-proud dahil makikita mo talaga yung growth ng company natin dahil iba't ibang mga brand ambassadors ay nag-agree sa ating advocacy on spreading health, opportunity, and prosperity for everyone. Naging brand ambassador natin before si Jong Hoyon from Squid Game, si Mr. Park Seo-joon, di ba, na well-known na here in Korea and in abroad. And of course, a popular Filipino girl group, which is the BINI. At ito lang naman po, no, isa sa mga Hallyu A-listers sa Korea na si Song Joong-ki from The Descendants of the Sun, Vicenzo, and many more na mga sikat na Korean series and Korean movies. So nakaka-proud yung mga tao na naniniwala dun sa produkto natin. Kaya naman po patuloy ang pag-expand natin nationwide and abroad. So kung makikita nyo po kami sa EDSA and sa iba't ibang lugar po, nandyan po ang ating mga billboards because we're very proud to share this product kasi ang dami na pong taong natulungan nito. So here are some of our business centers. We have different business centers here in the Philippines and in abroad. So malay nyo po, di ba? Maaaring interested lang po tayo na bumili ng barley at gumamit nito. Pero just by helping other people, by sharing the beauty of this product, pwede na po kayo magkaroon ng sarili nyong business center or pwede kayo maging daan para magkaroon ng business center na kung nasang lugar man po tayo. Discuss ko lang po sa inyo na mabilis, paano ba natulungan ng Barley si Ms. Maritoni Fernandez? She's a breast cancer survivor for more than 20 years. Discover po na may breast cancer siya on her 30s and nagpakimo po siya and she added our barley kung saan mas mabilis po siya nag-recover from her chemo sessions and until now, wala na pong remission na nangyari. Cancer-free pa din po siya for more than 20 years. And napakarami pong taong natulungan nito. Ang nakadiscover po ng barley si Japanese scientist, si Mr. Yoshihide Hagiwara, and he found out na in one plant, it has 68 micronutrients. Kompleto po siya sa micronutrients na kailangan ng katawan natin na maaaring madalas na miss out po natin na kailangan po para sa regular and healthy function ng ating katawan. Aside from that, mapapatunayan po in some medical journals ang mga functional ingredients na nakasama sa kanya. Kaya po ang tawag dito ay superfood. Diba? Kasi sobrang kumpleto po siya, sobrang dami niyang mga kasama. In fact, 8 years na po kaming nagko-consume ng aking pamilya ng I Am Amazing Barley. At masasabi ko po, at masasabi ko po na napakalaki po at masasabi ko na napakalaki ng naitulong nito sa amin, especially sa mother ko na diabetic and sa father ko na mataas ang kolesterol. Pakita ko lang po sa inyo kung saan nanggagaling ang farm natin.
I'm Maritoni Fernandez, and we are in the middle of a barley field here in Swan Hill, Australia. We are giving you the world's best. And this is why I've come all the way to Australia, to show that this is where it comes from. You can't get any better than this. It's more than I ever imagined it would be. It's cold.
Well, we think we have the best barley in the world because of our clean irrigation water. Water comes from Murray River, which is a freshwater river. All their drinking water comes from Murray River too. So one of the three factors also is this organic property was a dairy farm before we started growing our certified crops here. So it's full of nutrients, and also the climate was perfect for growing winter cereals. Clean, green, certified organic.
When you get to the processing plant itself, the barley smell is so intoxicating. It smells so clean and so fresh, and you can really tell that it just got harvested. And if anything, it feels so healthy. It smells healthy.
It takes up to 3 years to have the farm certified organic. That's going away from conventional farming practices that require nasty herbicides and pesticides. We're certified with MASA, which is one of the Australian certifications for organic. It's quite an intense process.
A lot of people say that they have organic products, but actually what they don't understand is how stringent the tests are. They get spot checked. So at any given time, NASA can come over here and pick up barley from their fields, and if they don't pass, their license gets taken away, which means no pesticides, no chemicals, none of that stuff goes into this land. From the time it's grown, all the way up until packing the barley powder and shipping it to us in the Philippines, no chemicals ever touches it. NutriGreen Australia is actually the only organic barley farm in the whole of Australia. And I am truly proud to say that we are now the sole distributor in the Philippines for NutriGreen barley.
OM Worldwide gets its barley grass powders from Herbal, which sources them from us at NutriGreen. So you're guaranteed the best barley grass powders in the world.
Yes, you heard it right. I Am Amazing Barley comes from the one and only organic barley farm in Australia. Kaya makakasigurado po kayo na i-consume nyo po yung the best barley in the world. Sulit na sulit po ang pag-consume ninyo dito, ang pagbili nyo po dito. So ito po yung mga ilang benefits ng ating barley. So it helps destroy cancer cells, builds immunity against diseases, slimming and toxin remover, smoothens and whitens skin, cures and prevents allergies, lowers cholesterol, protects you from colds and flu, and slows aging process, improves blood circulation, helps lower blood sugar, and boost energy and immune system. Napakadami pa pong health benefits ng ating product at mas maganda po talaga na ma-experience natin. Meron din po tayong capsule form aside from the powder form. And ito yung mga iilang users po natin. Iilan sa ating mga testimonies, yung iba may mga polycystic ovarian syndrome, yung iba naman po hirap magkaanak, pero with the help of the barley, it improves their overall health. Kagaya po nito na before 11 years po silang nag-try mag-anak, pero right now they have 2 lovely kids. Yung mga diabetic, yung mga nagkaroon po ng infections, natutulungan po yan ng ating product. This is for overall health. In fact, kahit po sa bata, pwede po ang ating barley. Even yung mga nagpapagaling, yung mga may cancer, malaking tulong po yung barley no sa recovery po nila. And even people around the globe, even locals from different countries, tinatangkilik po yung ating produkto dahil the product speaks for itself. Meron din po tayong choco barley, may mga barley coffees din po tayo, and many more. So once you become a distributor, magiging discounted ka po niyan together with our other amazing products. So lahat po ng products natin ay kalidad po, di ba? Hindi po yan tinipid, hindi lang po yan para sa negosyo. Ito po yung mga produkto na I can attest to it. Kahit ikaw, gugustuhin nyo pong gamitin yung mga products natin at ipagamit sa family natin na meron tayong peace of mind na maayos, na kalidad yung iniinom po nila. Ito na po, how to become a member. Yan, bakit ka ba magme-member? Of course, for the discount. Kasi gagamitin mo lang rin naman yung products natin eh. So might as well have a discount. Kasi kung bibili po tayo sa mga drugstores, sila kikita po sila niyan eh. Pero ikaw, never ka naman makaka-discount dyan. Laging SRP po yung bili nyo sa mga produkto na yan. Pero sa atin, you have the opportunity to become a member na in the long run, let's say you just share it with your friends. Kunwari kayo po, gusto ko lang, gagamit lang ako ng products eh. Yun yung sinasabi ng iba. Okay lang po yun. Pero ikaw, kung naging healthy ka, na experience mo sa katawan mo na naging okay ka, why not share the product to others? Kasi ngayon po, sobrang dami na po talaga nagkakasakit. Dati, yung diabetes, para lang po yan sa mga senior, para sa mga may edad na. Pero ngayon po, when we talk about diabetes, kahit po yung mga bata, kahit po yung mga teenagers, nagkakaroon na po ng diabetes. Yung iba, mga maintenance na at an early age. So, ibig sabihin, yung panahon po natin ngayon, kailangan po talaga ng lifestyle change. And when you say lifestyle change, napakalaki po ng importance ng kinakain, ng nutrition. And barley, doon po siya papasok kasi superfood po siya. Malaki po yung maambag niya doon sa nutrition natin dahil kompleto po siya sa nutrients na kailangan and enzymes and many more good stuffs po. So, how to become a distributor, a member, or a dealer? Benefits po niyan, you will have lifetime discounts sa lahat po ng ating products. magkakaroon ka po ng online business tracking account kasi magkakaroon ka po ng rebates every time na magre-reorder ka po aside from your discount. And at the same time, parang hindi ka naman na po nagpa-member. Wala naman pong membership fee talaga. Bibili lang kayo ng minimum worth of products. So may kasama na po talagang products yung package natin. And of course, we also have incentives if in case you want to do the business. So ito po yung mga packages natin. So we have the Jade package, which is 198,800. We have the Platinum package, which is 112,000. And we have the Gold package, which is the 44,800. Alam niyo po ba, pag wala pong promo, ang Jade package po natin, sobra-sobra pa rin naman yung kapalit na products. Kaya nga marami pong kumukuha nito. Sa Jade package, 198,000 yung ilalabas mo. 1 box of barley po kasi is 1,000 siya at SRP price. Ngayon po, if we'll avail the Jade package, 198,000, ang kapalit po na worth of products niyan ay 250,000 worth of products. Kung sa Platinum naman po, 112,000 siya, as is yung kapalit niyang product. Kung magkano nilabas mo, yun din. 112 boxes of barley naman yung kapalit. Kung sa gold package po natin, 44,800 po siya, 45 boxes naman po yung kasama. Yan po ay kapag wala pong promo. But good news, meron po tayong promo from August 8 to August 10. So maganda po, makahabol tayo dyan. Ang promo po natin, madodoble po yung products na kasama. So parang members price mo na siya nakuha tapos may account ka na rin po. So simulan natin doon sa Jade package. Ang Jade package, imagine niyo po, makinig kayo maigi, 198,800 ang ilalabas mo. Pero ang kapalit niya, instead of 250 boxes, magiging 450 boxes na po lahat yung kapalit. Ibig sabihin, kapag na-dispose nyo po yun, doble po yung kinita ng pera ninyo. O what if yung iba naman ginamit nyo? Okay lang. Sulit na sulit, may profit ka pa rin po doon. Plus, member ka na po ng IM Worldwide. Hindi lang basta member. Jade package, VIP package, holder ka na po. So, salo nyo po lahat ng benefits ng company natin. Next po natin is the Platinum, 112,000. Dapat 112 boxes lang po ng barley yung kasama dyan. Pero since meron po tayong promo, magkakaroon po kayo niyan ng 224 boxes of barley. So, doble po yung kasama sa kanya na products. Dapat 112 lang. And of course, the gold package, 44,800 magiging, instead na 45 boxes of barley, magiging 90 boxes of barley po. And gold package, holder ka na po dito sa company. If you'll ask me kung ano po yung pinakasulit na package, of course, numbers won't lie. It is the Jade package. Kasi 198,800 yung nilabas mo pero 450,000 worth of products yung nakuha mo. Diba? Ngayon, paano ka ba dito kikita? Paano ka magbe-benefit talaga? Number one, you have the discount. So instead po na 1,000 yung bilhin nyo ng barley, mayat maya, di ba? Kung gusto mo talaga, if you really care for the health of your whole family, it's best nagpagamitin po natin yung buong pamilya natin, diba? So dito po magkakaroon ka po ng discount. So instead po na 1,000, magiging half the price na po siya, magiging 500 pesos na lang po. So ito si Miss Mariel, diba? User lang po talaga sila ng products, pero because of the beauty ng ating barley, diba? Hindi na niya napigilan yung mga nakakita ng barley niya doon sa estante niya. Nagtanong na po doon sa FB Live niya. And now, she's one of our top direct sellers na. And this is Krisha. She's a nurse by profession and siya naman po through TikTok lang po. Because of just sharing the beauty of this product, kumita na po siya dito ng 16 million. Hindi naman po niya pinilit yung mga taong yon. Hindi nga siya nag-sale stock doon eh. Diba? Dito po, pag maganda yung produkto mo, hindi mo na kailangan ng sobrang daming explanation po. Yan. So, ang good news niyan, meron din tayong money back program. For sure, there are a lot of people who also want to enjoy the benefit of becoming a member of IM Worldwide. So, let's say you're a gold package holder and you referred at least 4 people, you will earn 20,000. But since we have our Just For You bonus or our money back program, aside po sa 20,000 na kinita natin, you'll have additional 40,000 pesos. So yung 40,000 na yan plus 20,000, that's a total of 60,000 pesos po. Ang maganda po dyan, no time frame and unlimited po yan. So imagine niyo po, no, yung nilabas ninyong puhunan, doble po yung nilabas ninyong So imagine nyo po, yung nilabas nyo po na 44,800, dumoble na yung worth of products niya, 90,000 worth na po siya. At the same time, you can do the business as well. Meron kang unlimited 60,000 pesos po. For the platinum package naman, 112,000. Nakakuha ka ng 224 boxes of barley or 224,000 worth of products. And you refer at least 4 people. You'll earn a total of 100,000 Plus, just for you natin na bonus or the money back program natin, magkakaroon ka ng total of 152,000 pesos. Again, unlimited and no time frame siya. And the best package, which is the VIP package or the Jade package, refer ka po ng 4 na tao, you'll get 100,000 plus a bonus of 200,000 pesos. So, ang total po na income natin ay 300,000 pesos po. This is unlimited and no time frame. I-breakdown ko lang po yung mga income system po natin dito. Pinakamalaki po kung makikita ninyo is the Jade package. Pero lahat po naman yan maganda. Pero of course, kung gusto nyo po ma-maximize yung benefits dito sa company and yung promo natin, di ba? Na minsan lang po mag-promo because 8th-year anniversary na po ng company natin. Of course, i-grab po natin ang ating Jade package, hindi ka po malulugi dyan. So, ayan po, patunay po niya, na pag-hire yung package mo, mas malaki po yung potential income natin dito sa business. I'm looking forward na i-assist po kayo. Again, I'm Princess Patsy and hope to talk with you soon.